guys, we will be playing Susu Tower. Okay, let's go. This is oh no, never mind. What is this? Lipat?
Bantu aku untuk mencari bubuk stroberi, bubuk taro, bubuk matcha, dan bubuk pisang untuk menghasilkan bubuk coklat yang hebat ini.
Don't even understand. Energy. Give me energy 100. But I think Susu means milk. But in the Philippines, that's not sus as milk. I can't tell you what Susu means in the Philippines. What is this energy? Boys little stuff. But let's go. Okay, what's this? Oh, taro. I got the one taro. Like he was talking about something. He said taro and chocolate. That. Oh, I think that's taro. Vinitaro. Oh no, this is taro actually. I think that was matcha. Am I right? If that was matcha, matcha is green. Oh. Yeah, I was right, matcha. It was telling us something. Okay. This girl knows how to play this strawberry. Why is it spelled like that? Strawberry. Like, why is it spelled like that? Is there anything here? Oh. Thank you for the milk. Thank you for the milk, bruh. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is getting the same feeling.
Sekali.
What? Or did I just hear pisang? Pisang in Filipino means break. Oh no. Oh, help me. Oh, help me. No, it's all because of that. Pisang means break. But why is it called pisang? Next one. Why is it called pisang? Pisang, pisang. I have pisang. It's the color yellow. I don't know what that letter means. No. So someone has to sacrifice for that stage. Oh, thank you, Bacon. Thank you so much for showing me the way. Thank you. Oh, yay. So let's go there again. Hi, you again. Oh, this is my second gatas, okay. Gatas means milk. And thank you for the gatas. Thank you for the gatas. Milk. Gatas literally means milk in Tagalog. I think it's in Tagalog or Ilocano. I don't even know. Bro, stop. Okay, if I fail there, I'm gonna rage quit it. Get me out. What do you mean energy? Like, why do you have a... Oh, that's it. Oh, man. Oh, the energy means, I need milk. Okay. So later I need energy, okay? Because I'm getting tired doing these hobbies, okay? I understand now. Ah! Can you give me some energy? Oh no, please, please have mercy. Bro, why? I said have mercy. Please have mercy, bro, have mercy. Have mercy, thank you. Thank you for having mercy, thank you. Like, oh no, I need some milk. I need some milk. Give me the milk, please. Okay, thank you for the gatas. Thank you for the gatas. I needed some gatas. Thank you. Oh, I understand the ones that have X is the correct answer. Bro, just stand on the X. Like it has a little X sign, so that means the one. Bro, what is that? Milk in a bottle, in a glass? Okay, that's nice. Hey, do I need gatas? No. I'm sorry, but I don't need gatas. Later, now on. Like there's another one close. Every time there's a ball for milk, there's literally a milk filled in a glass. Like, did you notice that? I noticed it just today. Okay, is this all we need? Okay, maybe when we're at the end, we were like, give it to the poor man. It literally looks so animated, especially with my face. Like, my face looks little so energized. Okay, I'm at how 100, never mind, now I'm at 98. Okay, let's go, please don't fall again! Bro, if I was that girl, I would literally cry in real life. Like, she went to the bottom. Like, stop. I feel so bad for her. She probably already rage quit. Oh, please don't fall. I'm doing need some milk later. I still have a lot of energy. Bro is literally stuck. There's like one here. Oh, you can later help because I got damaged. Okay, hurry. Find a ball, hurry, find a ball. Yeah, no, I think I prefer this one. Thank you, though. Ah! I don't know how to do this. Please. Okay, oh, like that. And then I... Oh, no. Then we like... Oh, no. And then... Oh, no. Not any... No. I go like that. Bro, stop. Go like that, and go like this, and go like that. And then go like that. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I need some milk. But I need some milk. I'm not trying to be sus, but it's true. Okay, get out. I need some milk. I don't even know what happens to me if I run out of milk. Maybe I'll die and rage quit. Oh no, I need some milk. Please, don't do this to me. Please, I literally need some milk. So please don't do this to me. Like, I need some little milk. Don't do this to me, wait. Please don't do this to me. I need some milk. Please don't do this to me. Please. No. Please. Oh, thank goodness the bar is here. Thank goodness. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the milk. I could have died. No. Oh, okay. Now I have some milk. Thank you for the milk. Nagiwara na kaya kuhaan. Oh. That's one of my friends, guys. She must with our other friend. I was so sad because they left me out without even telling me that they matched. Like, we would play still a brainot or they Advenio all the time, but one day they got, both of them got orca. The orca. I was so sad because they didn't even tell me there was an orca. Hey, give me some milk. But if I die because of they don't let me take some milk. Oh, thank you. Now I can get some milk. Let me milk. Give me some milk. Thank you for the milk, bro. Thank you for the milk. Thank you. Please give some milk to my friend too. Let's go, guys. Let's not waste any time. We're close to the ball, guys. We're literally so close. This won't fall now. No, please, someone save me, please. No, please save me. Thank you. No, I really need some milk. No. Well, stop. I need some milk right now. Go to the other bar. Go. No time to waste. Go, I was so little close to the end, I think. But I needed to fall, like, really stop. Give me the milk. Okay, thanks for the milk. I really needed it. I really needed it. Ah! Bro, how evil. How evil of them to do that. I'm trying to save my life. Please! Thank you. But they really had to do that. Wow. So mean. Like, they're so mean. No, I have to do that other part again. This game really wants me to rage quit. Hey, come.
Terima kasih anak muda. Oh ya, kamu bawa coklat dan botol susunya ke atas sana ya. Ada yang menunggu kamu di sana. Tadilah botol susu yang aku letakkan di sekitar Robi. Dan ini bawa coklatnya untuk bawalah semuanya dengan selamat.
Coklat? Coklat, okay. Nah? I don't know. But you know what? I'm gonna rage quit, yeah. You guys heard me, I'm gonna rage quit. Like, I keep falling. Like, stop. Oh. Bye guys, I'm gonna rage quit.